Hi everyone. So as you can see, I have this little piece of wood here. I guess it's 2 by 12 inches. I'm going to pour over it and make a sunglasses holder. So that's why I have 2 holes here that I pre-drilled. I'm gonna put a rope through it so I can just hang my sunglasses on it. And I'm going to use this opportunity actually to take the opportunity to use some of my leftover paints from my previous piece. So it's always nice when we don't waste anything. So I have Artist Loft White, Artist Loft Metallic Leaf Green, which I'm really enjoying. Artist Loft Brilliant Blue, just really the bottom of my cup here. And Artist Loft Metallic Silver, which I have a lot of. So I think I'm just going to do a dirty cup, probably pour it over my wood, and I put these in the back so that it dries nicely, and that's about it. I'm going to be putting some silicone in my dirty cup over here. once my paint cured, I added 4 coats of polyacrylic Minwax, nice clear gloss, and I really like the way that it turned out. I'm happy that I have something practical that I was able to use up my leftover paints with. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Bye!